Veggie, what are you doing? Veggie. Veggie, what are you doing? Come on. Look at this beautiful baby. You're painting too. Very nice. Okay. Well, we do this bird, and it's like this. Let me see. Yes. Yeah, this DioNe with this. We use the I don't know if it's classic or the modeling compound as Play-Doh. We make this beautiful. Oh, I'm sorry. You can see more like the details. Yeah. And here, yeah. This is for do the. ¿Cómo se dice pico, boluda? You know, so yummy. Smell the Play-Doh. Wow, can put me nuts. Well, not nuts. Put me very, very, very like. What's it like? Euphoric. Yeah, euphoric. Put me euphoric. It's not the same to stay crazy. You need to be careful with if you have Play-Doh, because if you do this last, you lose your Play-Doh, and you don't want to lose your Play-Doh. Yeah, you can put in another bottle all the poor babies. I have a beautiful gray because I look at it. Put this beautiful mushroom and here. Ding. Like this, whatever. And yeah, you try to don't mix too much the Play-Doh. Like when you put like this, I don't know, like this. But don't mix too much and make up big portions. Yeah, I don't know. And then remember do circles, perfect circles while I do this. I can do this now because I use the other hand. And do this. Oh, do the circles. Put together the coloring and like, I miss you too, I miss you too, and don't leave too many time out of his houses, of his bottles, because if you don't have too many time because you have too many stuff to do, only do this, okay? Well, and that's all. And in here, I need more colors for do. I start to do a new cat. Yeah, I think I can put a kind of this middle eye like this. Like that. 2 eyes. Because like this looks very like boring. And and yeah. You can put the mushroom with this. Don't put the color, yeah. Very like this. Fiji, remember